Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to insert a flash file into an Adobe Captivate project. So this is Adobe Captivate 6, and to do so, what I have is a blank slide. So this is going to be the slide that I'm going to insert my flash into. So I'm going to go up to the top navigation and go Insert, Animation. Alright, and then I'll just go out and find my flash file, which is my SWF Swift file. You'll notice that I'm grabbing an AS3 file. This means it's an ActionScript 3 file. Captivate 6 supports ActionScript 3, so you want to use the ActionScript 3 flash files for this. Click Open, and Captivate automatically puts it onto your stage for you. Now you'll notice my stage is 1024 by 768. And my flash file is only 720 by 540 high. So that's why it's kind of sitting in the middle. If I wanted to, I could just hold down Shift and I could stretch my Swift file so it takes up the whole stage. And you can it's personal preference if you want to do that. Keep in mind, if you stretch it, if you inserted any images into your flash file, those may become a little pixelated when you stretch it. So for this example, I'm just going to leave it centered normal size, and then I'll have kind of like a border going around it like that. Now in Flash, in Captivate, you want to make sure on the timeline that your animation takes up the whole distance of your timeline. So this particular slide goes for, looks like about 2.5 seconds, so I just wanted to make sure on the timeline my Flash file goes that whole distance, so it shows up for the entire time. Also, we're going to need to put a button on here, and that will tell Captivate to stop on this slide and not automatically go to the next slide after the 2.5 seconds. So we're going to add really like an invisible button in here. So what we're going to do is go Insert and Standard Object and Button. Alright, now this puts a button on our stage now, and you can really stylize this any way you want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a transparent button, and I'm going to delete the word button, and I want to make the transparency 0, and that way it's just a blank button. Make it as small as possible, and I'm just going to stick it right down here in the corner because I don't want anyone to use this button. But once again, this button is just going to tell Captivate to stop. Looks like there's a stroke here also. So this button just really just stops the slide, tells Captivate to stop, and going to go span these once again over the whole timeline. And there we go. So now when we actually play this, what would happen is Captivate is going to come into the slide and see that we need to stop, let you play the game, and then you can just click the next button when you're ready to go.